If you haven't looked at your webcam and thought, why do I look like this? This video is for you. Today I'm showing you how to make your camera look perfect with Elgato's Camera Hub. Whether you stream, record videos, or just hop into online meetings, this hub helps you to look your best with just a few clicks. Camera Hub is the Elgato software that gives you full control over your Facecam or any Elgato webcam. You can tweak brightness, contrast, white balance, zoom, and even the field of view. And the best part, once you set the perfect look, you can save it as preset and never touch it again. Let's go through the main controls. So, this is the interface of Camera Hub. The first part is where you find what you can do with this application. So you have the webcam, you have the effects, and you have the prompter. We're going to talk about the webcam part right now. So we have the device where you can choose which device you're using. For me, it's the Elgato Facecam MK2 because it's the one that I have. Once you set the device that you want to work with, you can start with your customization. You can set the zoom, you can zoom more, you can zoom a little bit less, and you can set which part of the screen you want to be visible on the webcam. Right below we have contrast, saturation, and sharpness to add details and definition. Just don't overdo them or it starts to look crunchy. Right after we have the exposure to set your brightness and clarity. Here you can decide to set it manually or let Camera Hub doing the work with the automatic feature. I usually like to keep it slightly lower to avoid looking overexposed, and as you can see, I have the automatic settings on and it does the work perfectly. After that we have the white balance. This one changes everything. If you want a warm, cozy feel, drag it to the warmer, and for clean, focused vibes, go cooler. As you can see, for me, again, Camera Hub does the perfect work, so I have the automatic on. And then we have the noise reduction and anti-flicker. There are two fundamental settings to make your webcam looking good. And after you set all your webcam, you can have fun and go to the effects. Here you can put it upside down, or you can simply flip it. And then you can go absolutely crazy with the effects. I really enjoy the blur one when I'm in meetings and I don't want the others to see my surroundings, because a little bit of privacy, it's always good. Or you can use backgrounds from photos to videos. But also you can upload your custom ones, every image or video that you want. Camera Hub is the best tool when I stream in different times of the day. For example, for my co-working streams, I usually use a video that is a little bit brighter, that gives more energy, while when I game mostly into the night, I prefer to have cooler tones and lower brightness for those perfect cozy vibes. A few quick tips before we go. Keep your lighting consistent. Even the best setting can't fight changing sunlight. Here's where the auto picture of Camera Hub plays their best game. Save your preset, because you'll never know when you're going to change something, and having the possibility to go back to the previous state is super important. And if you use multiple Elgato tools like the Stream Deck, you can even assign Camera Hub controls to a button to make your life a little bit easier. That's how I use Elgato Camera Hub to keep my stream and videos looking clean and cozy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments which settings you use for your webcam. I'd love to see your setup.